What is up, guys? So, very interesting video today because I saw a video that Riz, the Words of Wisdom, posted. It's a brand new video. Go check it out. And pardon me if I sound a little congested. I was sick. When you have kids, man, any little thing that they catch, you're gonna catch it. So, but anyways, and real quick before I tell you this, guys, today we had a banger in the markets. A beautiful 1 to 4 trade on the NASDAQ. So if you want to trade with us live, go check it out. The link is in the description for the WHOP. Trade safe. You get everything. Keep that in mind. Greatest value in the market. I promise you that. But to get to the video. So, when I wrote the book, The Trader Trap, the preface of the book, I basically wrote and I said, let me tell you something right now. I am not the greatest trader, but I can definitely show you the way. And what do I mean? And I gave the reference of Mike Tyson and his coach, Customato. So Mike Tyson, everyone knows who it is, but many don't know who his coach was, which was Customato. Customato was not the greatest fighter like Mike. Customato didn't have Mike's talents. Customato couldn't have never done what Mike Tyson did. Customato wasn't even a boxer himself. But guess what, guys? Customato was the reason why Mike Tyson was so great. Can you understand this? Customato was the reason why Mike Tyson was so great. And he was able to unlock something in Mike that Mike was never going to be able to unlock by himself. Okay? So I tell this in the book because the fact is that I don't have to be the greatest trader, A, to be able to get winning trades. Excuse me. I don't have to be the greatest trader to be profitable. I certainly don't have to be the greatest trader to explain to you how the market works. And I don't have to be the greatest trader to have an extremely deep understanding of the market beyond price action, beyond the candles that you see that are in front of you going up and down. So in this video of Words of Wisdom, the guy has been a coach for over 25 years. A trading coach. And I thought, man, what an amazing thing, right? To just be able to help people unlock that greatness of, as far as even whether it be psychology or having a deeper understanding of what trading is, right? And how you should approach it on a daily basis. So, I just thought, wow, I think it's pretty awesome because my thing is, at the same time, I want to make money, right? But at the same time, I really want to help people. I want to develop a great trader. I want to be part of like someone's success story, right? Someone that was like, listen, Michael taught me this, and this, and he was able to unlock this psychological barrier that I had with trading for so long, right? They say, I'm chopping this up, but like your students is what shows your success, right? So, I say this to say that because, guys, I want to help you guys, right? And that is the goal, and that is why I created Trade Safe, and that is why I created the Trade Safe indicator, or tool, rather, I want to call it, because it was to help create that discipline, most importantly, which the top, and again, we've said this before, the top veterans, what they instill is the discipline while trading, guys. The discipline to not revenge trade, to not overtrade. This is what is important, and what is most important, and what is the beast that you should grab a hold of while trading is the simple over trading and revenge trading. So just keep this in mind, guys, that, remember, anybody can tell you, you don't have to be great to have someone explain to you a trend line, supply and demand, price action. But what you need is you need to have a good connection with your coach. And this is why coaches and mentors and all of the above are super important to your journey. Because some people want to do it alone. But understand that we were put on this earth to be communal. And this is why those guys in hedge funds and, all these proprietary trading firms, this is why they are winning. Because they trade in groups. They are attacking the market in groups together. The old saying of, if you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. Okay? So just keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind whenever it is that you're trading, whenever it is that you're struggling and you're having a hard time. Remember that there's people that can help you get there faster than you can alone. And again, this is why I tell you that my program is the best value, because I give you a one-on-one coaching program included in the cost, guys. Nobody does one-on-one. They usually just do live trading, or they'll just give you signals or whatever the case. Guys, I'm giving you one-on-one coaching. You're trading live with me every single day. It's a classroom. You're coming to class. We are learning. We are studying different chart patterns, guys. Sorry, different currencies, different pairs, and within that, how these flow differently, right? So again, I don't want to keep repeating myself. Just remember that it's okay to ask for help, guys. I was one of those people that I did not want to ask for help. I couldn't fathom. I said, I want to do this alone. And if I could turn back time, guys, I would have found somebody that I really, really liked working with, and I would have stuck with them. And again, I'm still looking for a trader that I really believe in. And SMB Capital, I think that's one of the people that I will be looking towards to join, right? The SMB boys in New York. I really look up to those guys. I've learned so much from them, and I think that's one of the people that I will be looking for a mentorship. If I'm able to get with them, and then I can go ahead and take that knowledge and give it to you guys. Just be humble when it comes to this, and you will go much, much further in your trading journey, and much faster too. You will skip the line. Some people help you skip the line, right? There are some people, you're standing in line, you see a buddy, hey, come on, get in here. You skip the line. That person helped you skip this amount of time that you would have had to wait. So be humble enough to realize that, guys. And please go watch the YouTube video. It's up now. Words of Wisdom. Man, I love that guy's podcast. And I think what I'm going to be doing is just doing reviews on each podcast itself, because there's just so much information that maybe some people didn't digest, and maybe I can help someone understand that a little better. You know what I mean? I can help someone understand this that maybe they weren't able to grasp on the YouTube channel themselves, or on the YouTube video themselves. So I think that's going to be a great idea to do, to again further help people understand where they're at in their trading journey, what they need to become better. So again, guys, thank you for watching, and like, subscribe, do all that good stuff that you got to do, that you do anyways. And remember, Trade safe, guys, on a daily basis. What is the goal? To trade safe. Peace.